In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Twitch on your MacBook, and turn it into something that actually feels like a real app. Because if you've tried searching for a Twitch app on Mac, you probably realized there isn't one you can install like on mobile. But don't worry, there's a simple way around that, and it only takes a minute. Let's get into it. Go ahead and open Safari on your Mac. Once you're in, type in www.twitch.tv and press enter. Give it a second to load and you'll land on the Twitch homepage. From here you can already start browsing streams, but if you want the full experience, like following streamers, chatting, or subscribing, make sure you log in to your account. Now here's the part that changes everything. At the top of your screen, click on File, then select Add to Dock. A small window will pop up. You can name it Twitch or keep the default name, then click Add. And just like that, Twitch is now sitting in your dock. Open it, and you'll notice it launches in its own window. No browser clutter, no tabs. Just Twitch. It feels smoother, more focused, and honestly way better if you watch streams regularly or keep Twitch open in the background. Super useful if you don't want it mixed in with your other browsing. And that's pretty much it. If this saved you some time, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more quick Mac tips like this. I'll see you in the next one.